Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change video resolution and frame rate in CapCut. Alright, after you finish editing the video, you are just going to export video. Just click the export button in the top right corner. And you can find the resolution option and the frame rate. So you can change for the resolution and frame rate to make better quality. So I choose this resolution, this standard resolution, and things for the frame rate in 60 fps. Alright, you can change for the resolution and 4K. 4K, right? So after you change the resolution and frame rate, it can be changed for the size of the video. You can see when you change sport resolution, size is changed. You can see can be changed the size. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please like the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.